Yeah, hello amazing customers. I'm here in Kumasi about to give you update on how you are designing this house with a natural stones for your house decoration. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so our service is available across the country. It's all about a good job, a quality job for all my customers. And sometimes how to get me Steven for me to come to your site and take measurement for you, it be sometimes because of the pressure with the Ghana here, sometimes it's difficult. Because only me, I have to be Kumasi, I have to be Accra, I have to be wherever in Ghana here. So if you call me, you didn't get me, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, because it's only me. And moreover, so now too, I'm not giving a free estimate anymore. Or maybe it will be on my own willing top. When you call me for estimate, it's not a free estimate, please. Yeah, so just look at the job. Yeah, so also here, the design that you are doing for the down is going to be different than the design that you are going to do for the top view. Yeah, so I'll surely be here another day, another time to share an update with you on how the top design going to look like, because it's going to look so classic and so beautiful in the camera, as you can see. Yeah, so let's get so close so that you see on the handwriting. Yeah. So if you build your house in Kumasi or in Accra or wherever now, you are the best person to design your home so that your home will have a value. A natural stones give a value to your building. A natural stone give a value to your building. So once you like value to your building is like you are trying to add some expensive paint on your building, some portion that the building will come so loud and so classic and so beautiful. Once you build your home, you are the right person to call to come and give you estimate and design your home for you on natural way. That got a job. Yo, Philip. Yo, come in. Yeah. Yo, Kaka did that side there so that you talk, you explain about the design you are doing. I read about. Yeah. Wow. Yo, Mr. Philip, how far? Yeah, so what be the idea on the design that you are doing on the wall? What be the idea behind?
Alright.
Yeah,
Steven Stone Design. Yeah, we welcome you once again.
that's right.
Yeah, so as you can see, right now we are in Kumasi,
Yeah,
beau,
that's right.
yeah, so the work is ongoing over there.
Yeah,
Yeah, so as you can see, this is a new design. That is our new cutting stone design. Yeah, so if you look at the work very well, you can see that the colors have been fixed one by one. You see it one like that.
that's
Yeah,
right.
very technical. Yes.
Wow, it's looking so beautiful, pal.
All right.
Yeah, but the top there you're going to put the colors more for inside.
No,
So that you that so that you from the far now you see it
very yeah.
very well, very neat. Yeah, and I thought you're going to be also that rough laying a little bit. Yeah, the rough laying. Uh-huh. So the topic is some rough, but the rough lane maybe light one, like normal rough lane. Yeah. So the colors will be more for inside. You see that thing? Yeah. So now, so if you finish the front view, now if the stone will remain that green one, we could put them for the side or the back side. Yeah. Yeah, look at the job. Wow. Yeah, look at the job. Sure, Juma no. Juma FSA. Kama. Yeah, look at the job. So I am the right person for you to call. I am the right person to design your home for you on natural way. As you dey see am for your screen. So nice and beautiful, as you can see. So whatever, just give us a call. You'll come and do a beautiful job for you on how you have been doing for all my customers around the country. The name is Steven Stone Design. It's only one Steven Stone Design in Ghana here, worldwide. Thanks. Okay, but just cover to you good. Oh.